Hey, so it's currently Saturday afternoon and I am busy packing. As you can see, my stuff is everywhere. Given I'm leaving tomorrow, my progress, given not a single item has yet gone into a bag. Perhaps slightly worrying. Let me turn the light on. But hey, I'm getting there. I've got, you've got to break eggs to make an omelette, is the saying. And I've definitely broken eggs. My stuff is everywhere, so hey, gonna continue packing. And then it feels kind of surreal. I'm leaving to move to Paris for 6 months tomorrow, which I haven't really had time to think about a huge amount, but hey, yeah, I better get on with some packing or else Beth's getting angry at me. Oh, so it's the big day today. I am, moving this afternoon, Sunday morning now. Slept pretty badly, not gonna lie. Just, a bit nervous and kind of lots to get sorted, finish packing today. Obviously saying bye to Beth, just a bit emotional. But the move is happening, so gotta just kind of be positive about it. Really excited too. And yeah, lots to do today, so gonna be a busy day before my train. I'm getting the Eurostar today later at 4:31, so I need to get to the station. So yeah, gonna get up. We've got some pastries to have this morning with Matt and Jania, which should be nice. Making the most of getting into the French sort of vibe before I go. And yeah, I'll see you again soon, surely, I'm sure. They're out of here. £5. So, I'm leaving this letter for Beth. Little tradition we have when we, let me turn you around, leave each other when we've done this before. So I've been on my year abroad before, and when we were doing long distance at uni, we've done long distance. We've been together for nearly 10 years. But we've done long distance for, probably 4 of those. And that has meant that, we've had to kind of get used to going apart. And one of the traditions that we have is just leaving a little letter for each other to look at when, we're seeing each other, which is just nice. A little tear or 2 may have been shed, but hey, we move on. And I'm so excited. Let's go. Uber's gonna be here very, very shortly. On my way to King's Cross, woohoo! To get the Eurostar. Let's do this. Could I have a bigger suitcase? I don't know. All right, this is it. Off we go. Whew. I jump in an Uber to St Pancras to get the Eurostar and soak in London for what is going to be the last time in a short while at least. And, just really try to soak up and feel just how lucky I am to call this incredible city home. I make it through security and do a bit of work editing some beaut pics of Beth, always beaut of course, for Menos in Adobe Lightroom, my new favourite toy. Seriously, a combination of Lightroom and Photoshop are just awesome. I shoot a few shots, just me using the bag around the station for a Menos video we'll put out on Instagram, because, when you're on your way to Paris, why not? We then get called for our departure, and I try at least to lug my incredibly heavy suitcases to the platform, and also try to film at the same time, so apologies, not my best footage. The train journey gives me another 2.5 hours playing in Lightroom. I had seriously forgotten just how productive long train journeys can be, so I'm honestly pretty pumped for more Eurostar trips back and forth to London, as long as I can have the seat next to myself free so that I can film myself for you guys. And it is a pretty magnificent evening, so I soak in the views of what is now home for the next 6 months. I'm in France. We have arrived, Pariiiii, Gare du Nord, and yeah, just got here. I have got my 2 big suitcases, which been a bit of a workout getting here. But yeah, I'm just waiting in a taxi rank. There's a massive line because I was busy trying to take shots, but hey, hope they were worth it. And yeah, gonna get in a taxi, go to my hotel for the night tonight before I move into my place tomorrow. And yeah, once I have had a night tonight in a hotel, yeah, I'm getting my keys first thing tomorrow morning. And then, yeah, super exciting. Oh, And oh, I'm so tired, but yeah, looking forward to a good night's sleep in bed. I'm gonna call Beth quickly, say goodnight, update her, and then I will see you guys first thing tomorrow, 10 a.m, so not quite first thing. Moving into my new apartment. I cannot wait to see it. Yeah, so you're gonna get to see moving in tomorrow morning. So I will see you then. Good morning. I have woken up in Paris, got showered, just about to go grab some breakfast, and then we'll be heading straight out across to go and pick up the keys to my flat. It's very convenient, it's just across the road from the hotel, and then move in, yeah, move all my stuff across and unpack, which is gonna be today, basically. So yeah, let's do this. Let's see the apartment, let's get like moved in, unpack, and yeah, buzzing, pumped for the day. My things and I have made it. Yeah, so happy to be here. Like, the flat is really nice. I'm really pumped. Super excited. Gonna start unpacking some stuff, set up some good time lapses, and yeah, get somewhat unpacked. I mean, I don't think it's gonna feel much more homely than it does right now. Alrighty, so I am done. I have moved in, I have unpacked all of my bags. Feeling super pumped actually. It's looking awesome. Like, I have a little dining table just here to put my stuff on. I will give you a full tour. This is awesome. So excited to be here, so excited to kind of share this journey with you guys over the next 6 months of being here. Now that I'm pretty much unpacked, I want to start getting my head back in the French zone before having to actually speak French with real French people out and about in Paris. So I head over to LingoPie, who are, by the way, today's sponsor. The awesome thing about LingoPie is that you can learn a language at any level by watching original, locally produced TV. So I'm currently watching Alice Nevers, a French crime drama, and a few different French films. Subtitles come on in English and French, or even a mashup of both to help less advanced learners. You can adjust playback speed, and you can have a script appear sentence by sentence if you find that helpful too. You can click on any word you don't understand and you'll be given a real-time translation. Any words you click on are then automatically added to flashcards so you can make sure you actually learn the words that you come across, with beautiful quizzes built into the platform, and even a tool where you can get feedback on your pronunciation. There are currently films and TV shows in French, Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Japanese, and Korean. So yeah, head to the link at the top of the video description to get a discount on your LingoPie subscription, and you'll also be able to try it out for 7 days completely free. And then let's go explore. So I am off on a quick walk around. Before I go to the supermarket and grab myself some food, I'm basically just walking along a few Paris streets just to soak up. It is a glorious day and I hadn't yet really been outside. But yeah, just gonna hopefully share with you the delight of some Paris B-roll with my face in it de temps en temps. It is magnificent. The buildings, I've been here before, but I've never really appreciated like just so many streets you walk down, at least in the area I'm lucky enough to live in. They're just all so beautiful, all the buildings. So yeah, pretty awesome. Then yeah, I'm hopefully gonna walk to the bit where you walk along to the Arc de Triomphe. Hopefully show you that. A little bit of an experience of Paris there. Definitely wasn't trying to get stuck in the middle of the street, but hey, let's open you up a little bit more so you can see me. We press on. So, way down the end of the street is the Champs Elysees. However, meeting my friend fairly soon, so you're gonna have to enjoy this very distant view of it. So I've just got back from the supermarket, and of course, no French apartment in Paris would be complete without its customary bottle of €4.50 red wine. I'll have a glass later, we shall see. But yeah, the only thing now remaining, I think, is houseplants. But hey, to be decided if I find those. Fingers crossed. So, I managed to find some houseplants. Here she is. This is gonna be my new baby. Pam Mark II. I hadn't quite considered the fact that the place I wanted to buy them was on the other side of Paris. So I'm now having to metro them back. Some slightly strange looks from members of the public. Filming myself through a tree, but you know, I've been in slightly, not much stranger, but slightly stranger positions than this before. So I'm feeling very happy with myself. We've got names yet to be decided. I think I need to speak to Beth about it, but this fella here, my big boy, looking good. Then, hold on. This fella right here, looking pretty nice. Yeah, and those are quite a duo, I reckon. I'm considering trying to get a desk in right here, but we shall see. And then one more teeny weeny little plant over here, which I need to take the plastic out of. But hey, quite cute, and in a little pot. So yeah, pretty happy with those purchases. Got my plants, got settled in. This is, I think, the end of the moving in vlog. Yeah, if any of you live or know Paris well and have any good recommendations for, you know, not touristy places like restaurants to eat, or just places that are cool to go to that are kind of off the normal, like run-of-the-mill places that people go to in Paris, that would be very much appreciated. And I will come back to you again with another video, you know, Paris life plus EmiLIAM in Paris, possibly. And also just more like productivity, lifestyle stuff very soon. Thanks for watching, and I will speak to you again very soon.